My people, my people. Good morning, my people, my people. Finally, I'm testing this bracket to see if it's work on my Pathfinder. I just got it in Amazon, man, for $10. That's cheap. And let's see if this one is gonna do the job, you know. I finished working this morning because I start 2 a.m. So I finished by 7. I went home asleep, but I wake up just thinking about the bracket to put it on my new car. And I'm gonna be 1 year with this car. It's 1 year that I have not been doing videos on the road. So we back on the avenue, man. Thanks God. Let's see what happens. It's raining. Today's Wednesday, April 8th. And we got, it's 1:40 p.m. over here in Paradise. So this is Nova Road. We're gonna go for a ride, my people. This video is gonna be, you know, my videos is only maybe a half an hour, you know. So we're gonna go for a ride. We here in Holy Hill. We driving North Nova, and we're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna go stop at Medano to see if I can get coffee or frase, something like that. The cold drink. My people, I was crazy looking for my list, and I found it. I got all my people here. Later, I take a break. I want to say hi to Frank Lopez. He always coming. I want to say hi to Daniel, Speed Freak Daniel. I want to say hi to, let's see, wait, I can do this. I'm driving. My people, later, I take a break and go over the list. And let's see what happens, you know, how the video comes out. It's been raining since yesterday. And, you know, it's part of it. We need the rain. Over here, the whole winter, dry. The grass get dry. The tree get dry. Everybody get dry. So it's good too. The rain is good too. 45 speed limit. Let me, okay, I'm doing 40. It's good. So my people, I want to say hi to everybody and all my subscribers. That's what it counts to. I do this video, I'm a small YouTube because this is a family channel, you know. And everybody is welcome, you know, to enjoy it. And if you like it, give them a like, you know. I got a couple of riding here. I brought it with me. But I don't know if I'm gonna go to Ponce de Leon today. I think it's too late and that restaurant might be busy by now. I like to go to see Ponce early in the morning. That way nobody's there yet because that restaurant, the name is The Hidden Treasure. The Hidden Treasure in Ponce de Leon, England, by the lighthouse, right next to the lighthouse. It's a nice restaurant. That restaurant also you can bring your dog because they got a dog menu. I bring my friend Jackie before, and they even take care of the poop, man. Can't go wrong. But before you go to the restaurant with the dog, please walk the dog. Don't let the dog do, you know, his thing, you know, in the restaurant. And my friend Jackie did it, man. That was funny. And then the bar, you know, the bartender came and said, "Don't worry about it. I take care of it." Wow, man. He earned that. She earned that tip. She took care of everything. Good restaurant is a waterfront. You see all the boat coming from the ocean to the England because that's like the door. And then the Halifax River born there, and that river go all the way probably to Fort Matanza. That river, I think, go all the way to St. Augustine too, the Halifax River, but that area have a different name, because same thing with Route 1 in Daytona Beach is Ridgewood. When you go to Ormond Beach, is the Yongi Road. This one here, Granada. My people, I'm gonna put in pause because I'm gonna try to get some coffee. I just get up. I took a nap. Hold on a sec. So my people, I'm back. I went to Medano. I got my coffee. Now we're gonna continue going North Nova because I got so many videos on Granada, Camantino. Go. And so we're gonna go to the end. It's Route 1. So we're gonna go Route 1 to let's see, maybe we take the Parkway and drive to Port Orange. Make the trip, like half an hour. And when I get home, I put it on the TV and see how it looks. Because this one is more high. This vehicle is more high, and then when I put the camera, it's covered part of the hood. So let's see what happens. I got it on 1.7. Actually, I always do my video in 1.4. This one, because it's more higher, I got to open a little more to 1.7. But let's see how it look when I get home and download the video. My people, I miss you. I'm back in business, so I work in the morning. I can shoot a video on the road. If I go to Orlando, on the way back, I don't like pick up passenger in Orlando. I come back to Daytona, I can make a video. I want to say hi to JP, and New Semirna, Sandor Carali, Martin Mutak, Brian Sullivan. My people, hold on a second. The light's gonna change. So I make a stop later and do the list. I was going crazy looking for the list, and then I remember where I left it. Not in my minivan, no. In my clip. I got a clip where I put all my writing, but I'm not putting the writing there. I put it on the yellow big envelope to carry it with me. So that one I can fold it and put it on my glove compartment, and then when I go see Ponce, then I read it, It's like 3 or 4. I got Simon Destillate, making alcohol, brewing. Then I got my cousin Griselda. I wrote something nice for her. And Tia Macusa, she got a new airplane. And then I got 3 riding of Tia Macusa airplane because she flew to space and she went to the moon. She did not go around the moon, no. They land on the moon, on the special plane that Elcano did for her. It's a flying submarine, I call it. I'm laughing by it too. Elcano make a submarine body, he turned it into a aircraft. Paquetero, Tino. Fran te va a matar, tú verás. Déjate de estar tirando paquete. My people, I miss you. Hold on a second. My people, so I'm making the left on US 1 north. We're going north on Route 1 in Port Orange. This is Port Orange, my people. You see Brunel, 16 miles, Jacksonville, 86 miles. And over here we can go 55. But it's raining, it's wet. I don't want to take a chance. I don't want to, we're going to go nice and easy. And enjoy the trip, my people. Are you good? Are you good? I want to say hi to one of my favorite YouTubers in Puerto Rico, Aguada, Jesús Chuito Valle. Chuito, I love you, baby. Fran López, I love you too. And I want to say hi to everybody in Agrocentros López, in Aguada, Puerto Rico. Go and check it out, the warehouse. It's big, and you got everything there, one stop. And as a brother and sister, they made the delivery for free, hand to hand, Agrocentro López. I forgot the route. I think it's a route. I'm not going. I don't remember. Maybe 4411. Go find out. Go online. Look for Agrocentro López in Aguada, Puerto Rico. And next time, it's in one of my videos too. For Agrocentro López, one on my writing, So this is Route 1. Every state got a Route 1. In California, they got a Route 1. Over here, Route 1 too. Everywhere. What we don't have is Route 66. Very frank. But this is frank gay. They fixed the doors when they broke. What are you doing here now? Por los matorrales que va Macusa, hace sus inventos y toda su locura. Porque ella hace todo lo que le sale de la gana, camata. Descifrando todas las ecuacionadas de Pitágoras. Y tío Piñongo, como no tiene cerebro, él no le hace caso y siempre está en el trono. Y ella sigue descifrando las ecuacionadas de Pitágoras. Tum, 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 tum. A ver si encuentran una receta, la verdad. Tum, 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 tum. Y por ahí va Griselda con su minifalda. Más para abajo lleva unas finas tangas de la que le hace Simón en el corral. Mi gente, no me hagan caso. Y no, paquetero. Mi gente, I'm happy because I went back to the avenue. It's important too to do local, drive. I like it. When you drive these roads, my people, gotta be careful because the police is all over the place. Watching speed, And if you have a pickup truck, the full-size pickup truck, don't try to go fast here because they got undercover pickup trucks to those that like to race with the other pickup truck to see which one is faster, and then you get caught because the guy is a cop. I seen it all the time because that's what I do now, Uber. try to make a little bit of money because you two don't pay. So Uber pay. My people, I make $100 in a couple of hours and go home. That's it. And now I got my camera set up. We're gonna watch this video when I get home. And I'm trying to make it like half an hour, my people. It's only 15 minutes now. So, are we gonna take? Oh, let me go around the Harley Davidson big dealer. I bring a lot of bikers here. When they come, for bike week. 3 weeks ago was crazy here. I never see so many bikers than this year. My God, man! An accident all over. Over here, there was one that I saw 2 motorcycles down, fire department, ambulance, and they closed the road. We had to detour, because what? They come here to have fun and drink. Everybody knows that. But they responsible. I never see accident in bike week. But this year I see so many bikes. Too many, all over. So we can take 95 north or south here. It's raining, people. It's raining hard. Since yesterday. Yesterday was windy. Good thing this morning when I start working 2 o'clock because I got a couple of reservations, 2 reservations, there was no rain. So on my right side, we cannot see it because the lens is a little open. But we're gonna go in and come out and take the parkway and get off LPGA. So I go home and check it out. So over here we are on ORMOND Beach. This here, my people, now here the next one. And Love, my people, this gas station, Love gas station. Oh my God, it's not here, but I find the way. The gas is good, and they got RB restaurant, fast food, which is good. I like the sandwich. So my people, right there is a Teddy North Daytona Harley Davidson. One of the biggest. They got the showroom and they got service too. And people, they are on the bike week. They send the bike 1 or 2 weeks before, and they send it here to the dealer, and then they fly, and I bring two people like that, They came from the airport to pick up their bike here. One was a couple, and then The other one was a woman. A woman came. A lot of women too. They love to participate. Every 6 months is a bike week here in Daytona Beach. So we're gonna go back on the parkway, a little bit of the parkway, my people, and we get off LPGA Boulevard. That's my exit. All right. Let's see. We gotta go back. Love. Like my last name. Oh, I want to say hi to all my family in New York. My wife, Ana Mercedes Morales, Ana Mercedes Amor, Jessica Amor, Jose Amor, Ibelis Amor, Edwin Amor, my niece. And the rest of the family people. I always forget about them. And I want to say happy birthday to my brother. Yesterday was his birthday, Basilio Amor. Happy birthday, Basilio. So now we're going south a little bit because we're gonna get on 95 south. Wait a minute. I mean the exit, my people, but we're gonna go back to see how the highway. Oh, can I make U-turn right there? It's gotta be here, my people, my people. So my people, I did a U-turn to get this ramp to go south because we don't want to go north. Then I got to drive like 8 miles to Old DC Parkway. And now we don't have no room for that. You see, we got to get Miami. This is north. I miss it. That's what happened. Are you good? Are you good? Wow, vámonos, let's go. So we take 95 south, people, and then we get up not next exit. We gotta pass Route 40, maybe 8 miles. This is the ramp. This is 95 south, and we in Ormond Beach, but we gotta pass Route 40, Granada. Then the next one is LPGA Boulevard. My people, look at the civilization here, beautiful, nice and clean. 95 south. It take us to Miami, to Palm Beach, to Fort Lauderdale, to Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach. If we go back north, you know, all the way to Maine. 95, Route 95. You see, my people, Route 40. We gotta drive Route 45 miles, and then the next one, I will say 6-7 miles in Paradise. Por los matorrales es que sigue Macusa, va plantación adentro a buscar su receta de la que reviven muertos. Ellos salen de la tumba nada más. Abren los ojos a ver si encuentran la verdad. Bueno, my people, we got 26 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. So we can drive a little bit of LPGA because I got video when there was nothing there. And now they transform it, both sides in building apartments, my people. New they done it like in 2 years. And when I came here to live in Florida in 2022, there was nothing there, you know. But then they start prepare the ground, you know, to build it up. I pick up a lot of people, passengers, right now on those communities, you know. That road on my right side is Tomoka Farm. No, sorry, it's not. That's a Kimber Creek Road. Yeah, Kimber Creek Road. Or maybe Tomoka Farm Road. I did a couple of videos in one of the farms that I met one of my horses, Fred. When I got out of the minivan, my minivan, the white one, they ran, one of them ran straight to me. And he came out on the video. My people, we got 65 degrees right now at 2:13 p.m. That's not normal for spring. That's the cold front, high pressure that since yesterday, you know, cool down the atmosphere, you know. But we got to enjoy it. I enjoy it every day because every day, for me, is a vacation day, you know. You know, guys, I'm a retired, but I hustle for the money. I always go behind the money and put it back in the bank because I took a long vacation after my retirement, 3 years with no working, and I figured it out a good way. Buy a new car, a new SUV, and do Uber. And I'm putting all the money back in my account, in my saving, my people. You gotta save money because you never know. So since I was 14 years old, I've been working every day, except for my retirement. Because then I started doing Uber in the middle of 2024, September 2024. And I worked the whole year. Well, I'm going to be 1 year with this Pathfinder in April 20, in a couple of more weeks. I'm going to be 1 year. And I don't stop. And I like to work by people from 2 a.m. By 7 a.m. I finish because Uber pay double. So when you behind the money, that's nothing. You gotta go, don't matter what time. Sometimes I gotta get up because I gotta pick up people at Daytona Beach Airport 11:30 p.m. And then I gotta go back to sleep a little bit because I got another reservation for 3 o'clock. And I take all the reservation because the tip comes from the reservation, you know. $20 tip here, $30 tip there. You bring people to the airport 2:30 in the morning. Some of them, they appreciate it. And they give me, sometimes I do $40. I'm not going to say every day because sometimes I don't get nothing. I pick up 7, 8 people, they don't give me they're no tip. Every day is different. I like the people sometimes that they come out of the bar at 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30. They tourists. Boom, they give you a lot of tip and in cash. Because when they have a couple of drinks, you know, their hand is loose. You know, they start giving tip, and then next day they say, what? Did I give $20 to the old man? I was crazy. Hey, my people, this is a 265, the exit. Holy Hill, that's my town. So LPGA, if we turn west, LPGA is the one that they got all the sport, like tennis, football field. You know, they have a couple of nice communities that they got the gate, the front, and to get in, you gotta show you ID, driver license, you know. My people, we're running to 31 minutes, but we're gonna take a little bit of LPGA. So left, this one don't take you to the beach because this one died on the Halifax River, Beach Street. To go to the beach, you have to take Mason. If you are around this area, you take Mason. Or you can take International Speedway Bridge. But this one do not take you to the bridge. You gotta make a right on Nova to Mason and then make a left and cross the bridge to Atlantic Avenue, Route A1A. And I think it's a sign that says beaches make it right. I think I saw it. Okay, we got the outer mall on the right side too. Okay. We don't have no more rain for a little while, people. So we're making the left here, my people. When I was saying hi to my family, my daughter called me. And I had to hang on her because I'm doing a video. My people, I love you guys. We back on the avenue. I don't want to run the video, my people, because sometimes those music they have a copyright. So I gotta respect that. I gotta get music from the jungle, you know. Get another radio. Fra López, déjate de ver. Bien. Un saludo a Fra López. He always coming. He never mix. And there is another guy, I gotta write his name, that he coming on one of my videos. I'm gonna start writing those people that they coming because, you know, they part of the family. They watching my videos. I wanna say hi to all the people from La India. They also watch my video because I see it. And some of them they subscribe and I see it. like Karachi from Pakistan. He watched my training videos, meditation video, my people. Paquetero, Tino. Oye, que you see this guy in the back, he got like a couple of drums. If he's in Virginia, that wouldn't be a moonshine. They trap on the moonshine like that. But if they get caught, if they get busted, forget it. So this is LPGA going east, my people. So we did a 360. This is Clive Morris Boulevard, where all the medical office they are located, even the Halifax Hospital. So my people, this is the community I'm talking about, on the right, on the left. So now we pass Clive Morris Boulevard. I believe the next one is Derbyshire Road or Derbyshire Avenue, and then come Nova Road, which is my avenue. Nova Road, my road. It's like an avenue. This community, my people on the left, and on the right side they're doing more community. All this on the left side is new. In Paradise, in Daytona Beach. Now we gotta go down to 40 miles per hour. Behind was 55. Now we're going down 45. So this is Derbyshire Road. And my people, I'm gonna say goodbye. I love you guys. I'm gonna download this video to see how it look on TV. And I wish you the best. And God bless your country. And God bless the United States of America. And peace. Let's live in peace. Thank you. I love you guys. Constantino Amor.